Hello pandas, this is Miss Cheryl with another caterpillar update. As you can see, they have grown quite a bit since Thursday. This purple mark on the lid shows the size that they were on Thursday, and now just a few days later on Monday we can see that they've grown quite a bit, a lot longer and thicker. You'll also notice how much they've eaten their food at the bottom. You can see how it's just kind of pieces have been taken out of it. You also might notice, if you look towards the back side of the cup, some webbing that they've made. It kind of looks like a spider's web, and in nature they make that webbing to protect themselves from predators. So it's a good sign that they're healthy and making that. You'll also notice the little black pieces that are kind of scattered throughout the cup. And some of those pieces are frass, which is their poop. And then other pieces are parts of their exoskeleton. And an exoskeleton is just the outer part of an insect that protects its body. And we'll talk more about that in a few days. But they're doing well. You can see them moving around this morning. So make sure, if you've been keeping your research journal, that you add another page with your observations from what you see today. I'll show you the example of mine in case you need to refresh your memory on what that could look like. So again, drawing a detailed picture of what you see, writing some sentences about what you see, and make sure you put the date on there so we can track how we're doing. And you can do this on paper or a smartphone or a tablet. I also want you to take a page in your journal and make a chart that looks like this. Can you tell what that word in the middle of the chart is? That says caterpillars, yes. And this is going to be your brainstorming chart, and I want you to write down everything that you can think of about caterpillars around the outside of that word. For example, one thing that I know about caterpillars is that they hatch from eggs. So maybe you base it off of what you know, what you've learned before. Maybe you just base it off of what you can see here with our caterpillars today. But go ahead and make your observations there. We also have named all of our caterpillars, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce them to you. Their names are Jack, Mac, Rex, Amanda, Bella, and Susan. So thank you all so much for your name suggestions. It is going to be exciting to see them grow. But speaking of hatching from eggs, we didn't get to observe that part of the caterpillar's life. So I found a video of that happening, which I will include a link in the description of this video. So please look that up if you are interested to watch a caterpillar hatch from an egg. So have a great day and stay tuned for another update later this week. Goodbye.